services to our clients. Our products have been exported to many countries such as Europe, USA, Mexico, Australia, and some Africa countries, and our products are approved by CE and ISO 9001. Our cable are produced under 2PFG1169 standard by TUV. Photovoltaic power generation process is no mechanical moving parts, no fuel consumption, no emissions of any substance including greenhouse gas, no noise, and no pollution. Solar energy resources are widely distributed and are inexhaustible. Our company goal is to make the world a better place by providing green source energy, high-quality products, high-quality service. Join us and work with us.